got some deer action finally. So we'll see what happens. We're losing light here pretty quick. We ended up seeing 8 doe and 3 bucks, but all small. So got to watch the turkeys fly up to roost, so that was pretty cool. But we still got just a little bit of light left, so I'm gonna grab my stuff. And I got a couple fields on the way back to the truck. So just try and glass them fields and see if anything good is in any of them while we still got a little bit of light left. Where I'm set up, I feel like deer are gonna have to come a pretty good ways once I get eyes on them. Sitting right here, I was hoping maybe I could get something chasing. I've got a sage field right here. I was hoping maybe I could catch one chasing through that, but no luck. So, par for the course this year. It's been a tough year. This is the longest I've gone without having an opportunity at a deer. So anyway, go back her on up. Maybe we'll show you something on the way out. It is the last day here in Nebraska. Just got done with the morning hunt. Was running a little bit late and ended up not doing an interview this morning, so I apologize for that. But anyway, we just got done with the morning hunt. Saw a bunch of turkeys, some doe, no bucks this morning, but it's supposed to get up pretty warm today, so not really sure how good the hunting will be today. So I ended up pulling some of my stuff and getting everything kind of ready, so after the afternoon hunt I can roll out, get back to the hotel room, get a good night's sleep, and then we'll head back out going to Tennessee in the morning. So anyway, appreciate y'all sticking with me on this Nebraska hunt. We'll see what happens this afternoon. It's probably gonna have to be a pretty big deer for me to shoot him this afternoon, just because you have to take it to a check station. By the time I got it loaded up and to the place, they would probably be closed, so I would have to wait and do it in the morning. They don't open till late in the morning, so not really wanting to drive at night on the end of the trip. It's always better for me if I can drive in the dark early. So probably won't shoot anything this afternoon, just more or less do some sightseeing. If a giant walks out, we'll definitely drive in the middle of the night for that one, but won't be shooting any mediocre deer. So anyway, we're gonna go back, get everything packed up in the hotel room so we can roll out in the morning, and then probably get back out here early. I got to get everything loaded up in the car and maybe we'll see a Giants this evening. Who knows? But appreciate y'all sticking with me. Hate I couldn't get it done by now. Well, just ran out of camera light on the last day here in Nebraska. Got a bunch of turkeys roosted in these trees behind me. I'm sure you can't see them on the GoPro. Had a decent little 8 over here in this cornfield, bumping some doe, but I hunted hard, tried to hunt smart, and it just ended up not working out. It's just the way it goes. But got to watch all these birds pitch up tonight. got some pretty good footage of them. And if I couldn't kill a deer, it's not really a better way to end the Nebraska trip. Anybody who knows me knows I'm a turkey guy, and I got it up here for quite a few years, and was gone for a little while, and then got this lease, and that's my thing up here in Nebraska, is these turkeys. But anyway, got a good deer here last year with the bow, so it's not a wash. Didn't find any sheds this go around, but anyway, I got one camera up here that I gotta pull, and then head back to the hotel room, get some rest, and probably get up about 3 o'clock in the morning, head on back to Tennessee. So it's a beautiful farm, huge property. It's kind of hard hunting one person. It's just hard to, I don't know, if you could spread out a little bit, you could see where the deer activity was. I tried to do that, but by doing so I was bouncing around, and you know, it's just hard to do it that way. But great trip. You look at this sunrise here, sunrise, I need sleep. You look at this sunset here, beautiful sunset, and I don't know, you hear people say it's not always about the kill, and most of the time if you've killed something you're like, nah, it's about the kill. But for me it's not. I mean, this has been a great trip, even though I didn't get anything. That's just part of hunting. It's the way it goes. You have to watch these 91 turkeys, and I'm sure of that because I've counted them every morning and every evening, it seems like. But anyway, got to watch them for the last couple days, and the weather hasn't really been too bad, which has probably been a bad thing because this place is covered up with food and just really hadn't pushed them to the food. So anyway, it's just the way it goes. I'm gonna go get this camera pulled, and we'll get on out of here, get some rest, and head on back to Tennessee, see if we can't make something happen there. It's not looking good for the old 2020 season for me. Matt killed a great 8-pointer a couple nights ago, so that's good for him. He's off to a good start. We've still got quite a few good deer on camera, so maybe he can keep laying them down. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for subscribing. Channel's been getting some really good traction lately, and we greatly appreciate that. Almost to the truck. I got two bucks fighting out here in the cornfield.